Good morning, guys. This is Emmanuel once again, and quick, quick one. Let's get into daily cipher for Hamster. And like I usually tell you, this Morse code or this daily decipher will expire by 8 p.m. today, being Sunday, 30th day of June 2024. Okay, so as usual, let's get into my group, and then let's see the hamster code for yesterday, which is proof. Okay, we are spelling proof, and as usual, we are going to consult our chart to spell the proof. Okay, so when we get back to the hamster, we need to click on daily cipher to activate the Morse code here. So let's do that. So now we have activated the Morse code. Let's tap in the word proof. Let's type in the word proof. Okay, the first letter on the word proof is P, letter P. Okay, there is something else I want to show you. This this chart we explain how this is done. So dash is long press, Y dot is regular tap. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. So letter P is dot dash dash dot. Okay, we tap on the screen, then hold, release, and tap. So let's do that. So letter P is dot dash dash dot. So we tap, hold, release, tap. Okay, we have activated letter P. So the next letter there is letter R. Letter R is a shorter version of letter P. So it's dot dash dot dash dot. Okay, tap, release, tap. Okay, tap, hold, tap. Okay, letter R activated. So the next letter is letter O, and because O appeared 2 times, we're going to do the same thing 2 times. Dash, hold, long hold, release, long hold, release, long hold, release. Okay, hold, release, hold, release. We are no tapping in this one, so let's go. So letter O is hold, release, hold, release, hold, release. This is letter O, and like I said, we will repeat the same thing again. So we hold, release, we hold, release, we hold, release. Let's do that. Hold, release, hold, release, hold, release. So that is remaining the word, the letter F. Sorry, remaining the letter F. Please, if you have stayed up to this moment and you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification and put it in all, so that once video like this has been done, it will just hit you as a reminder on top of your phone. And we do this every day, so I will be happy if you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Also like and share with your family and friends. Okay, the last letter is letter F. Where is letter F? Okay, this is letter F. Letter F is spelled as dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot. So we tap and tap, then hold, release and tap. Dot dot dash dot dot. Okay, so let's go and do that. So letter F is dot dot dash dot. Okay, and that completes the word proof. And when you have done it right, the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to take your prize. You click on this place, you click on this place and take your prize. Let's do that. And that completes the daily cipher for today. So you have until 8 p.m. to do this before this particular code expires and another one comes in. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next one. Please, as I've said before, like, subscribe and share. See you on the next one. Bye bye.